Bluetooth devices not working on Windows 10. If you've been struggling to connect your Bluetooth devices to your PC, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we walk through several methods to get your Bluetooth back up and running. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure your Bluetooth device is charged and within range of your PC. Let's get started with the first method. So for first solution, what you need to do is you just need to search services. So search for services and then the first result which will appear here will be this one, which is services. So just click on it. And then on this window, you will be able to see some Bluetooth related options here. So as I can see on my services window, Bluetooth audio gateway services, Bluetooth support service, and Bluetooth user support service. So whatever Bluetooth related services you see here, you just need to go to them one by one. So just double tap on every service and you can see startup type, click on automatic and then click on start. It may take some time and then press for apply, then OK. You have to do this to all the Bluetooth services you find on your PC. Now after doing so, you just need to restart your Windows operating system and then see if your Bluetooth device related problem is gone or not. So after this change, you just need to restart your Windows operating system so that you can see the changes and try to connect to the Bluetooth device or whatever Bluetooth related problem that you're facing. So if this solution doesn't work for you, the next solution, what you can do is you just need to type troubleshoot on the search taskbar. And after you've typed troubleshoot in the taskbar, you can see this result. Simply open it. After your troubleshoot bar is opened, now click on Order Troubleshooter. Here you can see the option of Bluetooth. Press on Run. Here we can see it is detecting any problems that you may have in your Bluetooth device. It may take up some time. So here you can see in my troubleshooter, my problem has been fixed. If this doesn't solve your problem, I have another solution for you guys. So what you simply need to do is go on your start button and click on right. So right click on your Windows icon and then choose device manager. And once the device manager windows will open, you will be able to see the Bluetooth option here. So what you can do here is you can just go to all the drivers which are related to Bluetooth and then right click on the drivers and then click on update drivers. So I'm just going to do is update the drivers and then you can just select on search automatically for drivers. So here you can see I have already the best driver installed for my device. Now what you have to do is do the same for all the drivers and this may solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.